You ever wonder why someone would want a daily driver and a weekend car? Uh, Seems extravagant at first, right? But there's more to it than just flexing your car collection. Different cars serve different purposes and seasons of life. Take the daily driver. It's like your trusty sidekick. It's designed for function, not flair. Think reliable and fuel efficient. Now, consider the weekend car as your alter ego. It's for those open roads where practicality takes a back seat and thrill is in the driver's seat. Commuting in the city, your daily driver handles potholes and traffic jams with ease. How about sneaking away for a road trip on a scenic route?
Your weekend car makes every curve feel like an adrenaline.
It's not just a purchase, it's an experience. Fuel efficiency is key for a daily driver. Uh, think about it. Less time at the pump means more time for you. All right. And the weekend car, on the other hand, doesn't worry about miles per gallon so much. It thrives on performance and passion. It's a different game altogether. The daily driver offers peace of mind with low maintenance costs. Frequent use means you can't afford surprises. Now, the weekend car, that's a different beast. It might demand special attention, sometimes costly repairs, but offers unforgettable journeys as its return on investment. Let's face it, a daily driver deals with parking battles and ding hazards. Practicality rules the choice, perhaps a modest sedan or compact SUV. But the weekend car, it's often a low slung beauty where every entrance and exit is a bit of theater. Insurance headaches, not really. If you're smart about it, a daily driver can come with lower premiums. Now, that weekend car, it could cost more, but mileage restrictions can balance it out. Less risk, fewer dollars. Play it smart, and it's manageable. Imagine the daily driver's interior, functional, maybe even plush if you're lucky. It's designed for comfort in the grind. And then picture your weekend car's cabin, a cockpit that screams excitement, leather seats, maybe even a dash of carbon fiber. And it's delighting your senses, and depreciation strikes hard on daily drivers. Wear and tear is an everyday story, but the weekend car,
Especially classics.
that's a financial story with potential happy endings. There's a unique stress when something goes wrong with your daily driver. It's part of your routine, right? But the weekend car, the stakes are lower. It's more of a heartbreak when things go awry. It's less disruptive to life's daily rhythm. And pro tip: buy a used daily driver. Let someone else take the depreciation hit. But for weekend thrills, sometimes it pays to look into something new or collectible. You want to make sure you're not inheriting someone else's burnouts, literally and metaphorically. For most, the lines blur. Maybe Portland's range shifts your daily to an all-wheel drive contender with weekend vibes. At the end of the day, each car has its role. It's about the memories made, be it life's milestones or mile markers on a cherished road trip.